Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to use the steam bath to evaporate off your solvent so you are left with your pure caffeine in your round bottom flask. When you come into the lab, you need to be wearing your lab coat fully done up and have your safety glasses on and over your eyes. All of the lab scripts contain COSH and risk assessment information, and you need to have read this before you start working. So the steam bath will be set up for you already, and be really careful because the steam bath is hot because it's full of boiling water. So when you come up to the steam bath, you're going to need to either get me or a demonstrator to help you put your sample on, or you use a spatula and lift off the metal rings. As I say, they're hot, so just put them to the side. You're then going to put your sample on. You want to have it so that it's angled away from you and to the back of the fume hood. You're evaporating off DCM. You don't want any DCM vapours to come into the lab. So you turn it so that it's angled away. And now we're going to wait for it to start boiling and for the solvent to be evaporating off. So now you can see it started to boil, because the boiling point of DCM is below that of water. So I'm just going to occasionally move the flask just to keep a good surface area. So you can turn it because you can see I'm starting to get the white residue of the caffeine depositing. So now it's boiling, we can just leave it to evaporate off. Okay, so now nearly all of the solvent's gone. So you want to be keeping a close eye on this, because as soon as the solvent's gone, you need to take it off the heat because caffeine will sublime, so you'll lose your product. So you can see as I'm turning it now, there's hardly any liquid and we've only got the solid. Okay, so now that's the caffeine that you've extracted from the tea. So as you pre-weighed the flask before you started, you can now weigh it. You can dry the bottom off, weigh it, and you can get your yield of caffeine. For the steam bath, carefully pop these back on so it's ready for the next person to use. Thanks for watching, and if you've any questions, send me an email.